Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. I'm at the beautiful Arrive Upper Kirby. I'm looking at their gorgeous one bedroom. We were just here on the previous video looking at this. It's just absolutely stunning, all the space you have here and all the beautiful windows. Hey, what I really want to do is go out and peek at this gorgeous balcony. Look at this. It's like, that's probably 15 to 20 feet that way. That's probably about 15 feet that way. And then all of this space, you can be looking out at the beautiful Houston skyline. And you're in the Upper Kirby area, which is a stunning, very expensive area. You can walk to anything here. You've got a wonderful lifestyle waiting for you with no fuss. You just walk in and it's a monthly rent payment and that's it. This is a perfect lifestyle to be in Houston. It's a great area to be in too. And then you're in a perfect apartment to enjoy it. So that's a little bit about this. Let's explore the inside here one more time. Also, you've got so much to do here too. Look at this kitchen. The kitchen's sumptuous. It's got a huge island. You could probably fit 5 or 6 stools there. You've got a beautiful, all these cabinets here, these open cabinets, lots and lots of white quartz countertops. You've got a really nice gas top there. Just everything is just gorgeous, perfect, and there's just so much space to work with. So why wouldn't you want to check out the Arrive Upper Kirby? I don't know. I would check it out right now. In fact, what I would do is I would send a text. I would use the number below and just say, hey, Grant, I'm loving what I'm seeing. Can you set up a virtual tour for me to see more of the Arrive Upper Kirby? And my answer is going to be yes. I'll set that up even as early as today. Send in the request. My number is below, and just send me a text and say, hey, Grant, let's do that tour.